This is our day 3 in Kashmir. We are in Leh. There is a tweak in the plan. Initially we thought of covering Hemis on day 3 and start for Hunder on day 4. But our hotel manager told us that if you can start early morning for Hemis, then it is possible to reach Hunder on that day only. But it will be tight. It's 1:30. We're back from Hemis. Had a lunch and just picking up some dry energy.
ये अखरोट कितना करके है भैया? हाँ 320.
We also have to buy petrol containers and load petrol for 2 bikes, as we don't have any petrol pumps in the midway, and we have approx 130 kilometer high mountain roads. We are expecting it to be rough, but our aim is to reach Hunder before the sun goes down. Thank God sunlight stays here until 7:38 PM here in Kashmir. The most exciting part is that we have to cover Khardungla pass in our way. It will be at an altitude of 18,500 feet. It was world's highest motorable pass until few years back. We are too excited for the ride. Something happened. It's 2:15. Only 15 minutes back we started from Leh, but seems like we're in a problem. My RE350 is not getting enough speed when going upwards. It's maximum 10 kmph on inclined upward roads and 20-25 kmph on flat roads. So I stopped, checked the basic things, carburetors, air filters, etc., but no luck. I never thought this was waiting for us. We had to call the bike rent guy in Leh and he came to the spot to fix the problem. He removed the air filter. The RE was not getting enough oxygen in high altitude and the bike is overloaded too. It's already 4 here and we have to cover another 120 kilometers at least. We have this new problem now, to reach Hunder before the sunset, otherwise it will be a great problem for us to drive through the rocky roads in the dark. The temperature in Khardungla was -2 during the daytime. it will drop further after the sunset. We only have 3 hours left in hand. The road condition is also very bad, and with our heavy loaded bikes, now we are thinking if we could cross Khardungla before the sunset. We are just 30-35 kilometers from Leh with so many surprises. Finally, we reached Khardungla. It's 6:30 p.m. We'll click some photos here along with a hot cup of coffee. The hot cup of coffee is like a life-saving drink here. I had two of them. It's 7 p.m. We have just completed 40 kilometers, another 85 to 90 kilometers left to reach our hotel. It's freezing cold, oxygen level is also thin, and we can feel that with the dizziness in our head. The temperature is dropping sharply. The roads are more dangerous now with the mountain ice water. It hurts. I have to put on another jacket cause the chilling cold wind is making me shiver. The sun is almost down. Clicked few pics over here. It's 9:30. We have another 20-25 kilometers to cover. All of us are now too desperate to reach the hotel in Nubra. Let's see how it goes. My GoPro and the power banks were dead. We safely reached hotel at 11 p.m. We unloaded our bikes and had dinner and slept like the dead. I'll come up with more videos of the entire trip. Let me know if you liked the video as well as the experience that I shared. We'll see you soon. Thank you.